So what is up, guys, man? It's your boy, the boy Deals Online here, guys, man. I'm back with another video today. I've got the Yeezys, yeah, Yeezy 700 static reflective. We're gonna do a very quick unboxing for you, for those who didn't get it, for those who wanted to get, just to see what it looks like on camera, on feet, just to get a couple shots, couple angles, couple images here and there, just to show you guys. So as you can see, guys, we've got the Yeezy 700s, right, straight from sneakers and stuff. But man got the bag, I got the bag straight from sneakers. Hey, you see that? You see that? Sneakers and stuff. Every video someone comes saying, oh, this is fake, that is fake. Yeah, let me show you the receipt. Let me show you the receipt. Man's got the copy, sneakers and stuff. Can you see that? Is that gonna focus? Is it gonna focus? Is it gonna focus? Sneakers and stuff, final sell. I'm pretty sure it's a 700 somewhere. What does it say? As I was saying, we got the Yeezy 700 right now. Boost, you know, we got a UK 9, US 9.5, and we're gonna do a quick unboxing for you. So let's slide it open like so. Gonna open it up like this. Oh, we got them right now, guys. Well, the Yeezy 700s, one of the most comfiest shoes out there. Everyone knows the Yeezys comes with the comfiness, yeah, comfortability. These are the 700s up close, you know, 700s. Like what? Crazy angles. Image, high angle, helicopter, low. You know, got a boost in it. Got a boost in everything in the. Got a boost in the little soles and that. But yeah, man, they look okay. They look okay. I'm not a fan of Yeezys personally, but these 700s are okay. Like I said, you can see the reflective bits along the side. I mentioned a couple images of the reflectiveness, but I think you can see the reflective bits over the side. It's got a decent heel counter, quite firm heel counter right there. As you can see, look at the cushion. Look at the size of that cushion, bro. Thickness, hefty. Thickness, hefty. And you already know 700s are the most comfiest shoes. Personally, if I was gonna get 700s, I'll get the OG Wave Runners. But I guess you can never go wrong with a bit of stack. However, mine's got a stain on it. Mine's got a very small stain on mine. Can you see that? And I've already sold these on StockX, so that's a bit of a it's a bit of a I haven't worn these. I haven't even touched them. I haven't even put them on yet, and they've already got a stain. But they look okay. I actually had the 350 reflectives in my basket, but I'm gonna show you my text from HSBC. They blocked the transaction, believing it was fraud. So right now I can be sitting here with you guys with 350 reflectives in my hand. I could have made like what, 200, 300, 400 pound profit, but hey, HSBC blocked the transaction. So a bit upset about that, but I actually won these from an SNS raffle. Hopefully I win the next SNS raffle for the Off-White Air Maxes, because I really do like the desert camera. But before I quickly show you guys what these look like, you know, 700s, show you a couple angles, couple sideways, couple front ways. Let's show you guys like what it looks like. These retail at 250, but the retail's about 300 pounds, so you can actually get these for more or less close enough to retail. Quick little thing, yeah. But yeah, guys, man, honestly, that's about it. It's a quick video just showing you guys what the 700s look like on feet, on camera, next to me. Showing you guys that I did get them. I won them from an SNS raffle. I never thought I'd actually win a raffle. I didn't even remember entering the raffle, but somehow I actually won it. So I'm happy that I won a raffle. I just hope I can win a raffle for the Off-White Air Max 90s Desert Soul camera. Like, that's the only pair I want left, and I'll be happy. So hopefully I take a W on those. I took a W on these. Let me know in the comment section down below if you took a W on any of the static Yeezys. Like I said, guys, I could have took a W on a couple of these, but as you guys saw, my bank messed me up. But anyway, guys, man, it's been your boy, the boy Deals Online here, guys. I'm back again with another one. Hope you guys have a very good evening, have a very good day, and a very good New Year's. God bless and say fuck yeah.